Here's a new 2023 Cadillac XT5. Designed with your agenda in mind, this XT5 helps you get ahead while pampering you like it's your day off. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 754-220-1690.